any minute now, things could just turn like anything. Anything can happen. Nemesis just looks slightly to the right. Here's them. Just waiting. If he pushes now, he could quickly just get a little kill. Come on, Nemesis. Gotta just push. Believe in yourself, dude. Just inching forward. Playing like his life depends on it. We're in a 3v3 as down. Nemesis with the comeback from behind. Down, he takes down 2, leaving a SNL1v3. It was actually in Fabled's. I can't think of words. I'm lost for words. No Hope has just beaten Fabled in a 3v4. They may not have the stats on the board, but they did get the win to No Hope, and a surprise to, well, me and maybe everyone. And that is it for season